Maayong gabi bay. Quick video taron, as you all know, di ko mag-prepare sa akong videos and di sa ko magbuhat og script. So I just think right now, I just spur of the moment ako ning i-DIY. So na ako yung zhiyun Molus, which is this light here. Nya wala ko ganahay niya kay kanang once you try to connect lights power on it, wala kay kabutang ang power supply, so you have to mount the power supply somewhere unless kung mag-power ka gatong i-plug diri mo isuksok. Pero kung magkuan kag portable lighting, like if I'm traveling nya kanang maggamit kog light ani niya, maggamit ko ani nga light atayan ning istorya ay wala tay ditay kanang paugatay ni anyway kanang ganahan ako gamiton ni siya. So akong plano is kanang ako ni siyang bangagan nga ri or ako ni siyang i-mount kaning vmount diri kay ang ubang areas kanang agian naman siya sa hangin, so basig ma-cover ang hangin, so diri na ko siya i-mount. Thing is ako ni siyang i-check usa, wala pa ko ka-study, wala pa na ko i-check, so sugal ni siya. So ako ni siyang i-mount diri. Then the only way you can mount it here is that kaning sa small rig mo niyang ginagamit para sa light stand para i-mount, but di ko ganahan ko usara siya diri. So ako ning tanggalon, ako ni siyang i-screw diri. So the way ako siyang i-screw is kanang kaning mga inani amot na focus pa kani, it's a circle kani siya na groove. Ako ni siyang ilubong ngadto, akong isunog niya ilubong na ko ngadto, then kani siya nga screw mo connect kamaya eh. So kana siya matag mo focus, di mo siya mo-focus. So kanang screw mo siya mo mount ngadto. So akong buhaton is ako ni siyang lanayon diri nga side, ako ni siyang isuksok diha. So tanawon ta ni siya kay wala pa ko, I haven't tested it, wala po kabawg successful ba niya di. Then kung ako siyang busutan, maguba gini siyang kilid. So kung di gyud siya mo work out, tara muna siya. So yeah, spur of the moment ni ako lang ning buhaton karon niya. Wala ko ni gi-study maayo. Karon pa ko mag-study maayo. Idea lang ni kam sa akong head. Ako lang gi-film kay basta masayop ko na anak ko yung documentation. Anyway, buhaton na ako. Sige. So I'm gonna have this one here, which is they're like the things you sink into plastic or anything that it has the grooves on, and it mounts to this screw. I don't know if you see it, but just too lazy to film it properly. But anyway, I'm gonna try to sink these ones in here so that I can screw in that V-mount. That V-mount. I don't know. I can't think right now. Yeah, this one here. See this? Okay. So we're gonna sink that one here and let it go inside the light. It's not focusing. What the fuck? So yeah, here you go. So yeah, let's see how we go. And yeah, well, as you all know, I'm just gonna speak English because this is just one take, and I don't want to be like making a take two and doing the Bisaya again because I'm doing 2 vlogs right now. But first things first, I'm gonna try to check what's in here. So yeah, we'll see what's in here, and yeah, we'll see what's in here. Anyway, I'm gonna try to fix my focus. First things first, we're gonna try to open this and check if we can see whatever's inside. If we mess up, we mess up. So yeah, where did I put the freaking thing? So yeah, I'm just gonna go on and go as I go. Go as I go. What the fuck? Okay, so first things first, we're gonna try to check what's inside. And hope that it's fine. Focus now. Sucks, man. After removing it, it's just okay. So it's just that after removing it. So nothing we can do here unless we want to break it, but nah, damn it. Yeah. Oh shit. Just fuck. There's a glass. There's glass there. So let's put it back because there's no point. There's no point. Putting it back. So there's glass in front in case if you hit the, you're afraid to hit the lead. So there's glass up front. Oh, big one. So we're gonna open this shits here and see how we go. I have this cheapo. Oh fuck, it's much bigger. I have this cheapo's pair of Allen wrenches, which sometimes works, sometimes doesn't. Okay, there you go. Okay, so removing it from this mount here. So what we're going to do is we're going to mount this thing here, but make sure that we don't hit this one. So this is just one of the things we need to make sure we don't hit. Put it this way. It's gonna be out here. Damn it. This thing's making it hard. So, I can put it that way because this thing's gonna be here. Aha, got it. This is gonna be here, so it's okay to have it up front. So we're just gonna make it. It's gonna have it mounted to this two only. So yeah, we'll see how we go. We'll see how we go. So yep, okay, I'm back. So what we need to do is we're gonna try to mount this one here. So I'm going to show you guys. I'm going to mount it here because the thing is this will not impede the adjusting knob, and this one's going to go to here. So it's not going to affect anything, hopefully. Okay, so just because I'm lazy, I'm just going to Dremel it out here. But I'm going to Dremel it lazily. So yeah, gonna be lazy. And obviously it's not working because it's so dumb. Okay, I hate it when people try to use the wrong tools for the job. But for this case, I'm using the wrong tool, so I'm doing what I hate. So forgive me, guys. So where were we? It's just the both worlds in me wants to do this right. Okay, well, that's a bit messed up. So, yep, let's do this. Let's see. That should be. So this is just me being. Oh fuck! I messed it up. This is just me being lazy. Okay, here we go. Okay. So that should be annoying. You know it's annoying when it is. So yeah, made the first hole. Gonna do the second one. So yeah, we drilled it. Let me test if I broke it or not. So just to be sure. Okay. Yep. Oh. Okay. I didn't break it yet. It's still working. So it should be fine. Okay. Bigger hole. Bigger holes. I broke it. Fuck. Oh, I didn't break it. Ooh. Oh, I didn't break it. Yeah, I went to the components. I can see the components up here, so just be careful with that. But I was scared of breaking it. Damn it. That was scary. So let's start with the bottom one. So just heat this thing. Slow punch it. It's not working. Fuck. Oh, fuck. Ah, fuck. No, it's gonna happen. I know that was gonna happen. Fuck. Okay, so closer inspection, this is what I got. So we still have airflow here, and airflow here. And also I've added an ARCA plate here. That way it's gonna mount to the ARCA base, ARCA mount. And yeah, that way I hate it when I try to put this on a light stand and I keep on turning this around a light stand. So yeah, this is a easy attachment to a light stand. And yeah, here is the smallrig ARCA plate. So the button is down here, that way it's not protruding. When you put it on your bag, it doesn't protrude here. And yeah, so just put the V-mount there. So once the V-mount's there, it's gonna be like off, but that doesn't matter because it'll be on the light stand. So it's not gonna be on your bag. So here it is. And I have this short USB-C mount, so like I can just do this, and basically this is it. So yeah, working, done. So muna ni siya output by. So nara ang V-mount na siya diha, gipalubong na to na kung mga mount sa screw, and ambot singa na to, nakalimot ko. But yeah, ako lagi lubong diha, then yeah, it's good to go. And kung ano mo ang V-mount, akong V-mount ginagamit kamay sa smallrig, na siya USB-C sa babaw. So plug it in here. So one more thing, i-make sure ni mo na ang kaning release button sa V-mount nasa ubos. Kaya kung ibutang nimo sa babaw, magburot siya na siya protrude diri. Ibutang nimo sa imong bag, musangit. So just make sure nga na siya sa ubos para di siya musangit sa imong bag. So once ibutang na nimo ang V-mount, makita nimo nga di siya flush diha, but it's okay because dito man siya sa light stand. So just have this cable, ipatuyok nimo nga ri. Ang L lang akong gamit nga mount. So that's it. So ano siya ka-compact, it'll be up there. It's like the Amaranth. So gamay siya, masudya sa bag, and this should be good. This should work for me. I'm happy na ako ning DIY. Anyway, one more thing. You notice here nga mag-protrude siya. It's okay kasi naman ni siya. So kung imo ning tanggalon, makita nimo maanoy kagamay kung OCD ka na siya naga-protrude diha. But it's okay kasi naaman ni siya, ibutan mo sa yung bag. So I always try to plan things na once nasa mong bag, it's gonna look good, it's gonna look fine, and it's gonna work. So this is what it is. So yeah.